Greetings, folks. You will become a better trader the moment you deal with your emotions. I'll help you. This is the Max Bot channel. I use quality strategies and smart tools to achieve my goals. You can pick up my assistant, an AI robot that reads the market and gives detailed recommendations right now. It's free and forever. The link is below the video. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages, he will tell you everything. Subscribe and click on the bell, put a like and write comments. It will be very interesting here. So, an active sell. This is a recommendation from the neural network for the currency pair Australian, Canadian dollar, 5-minute time frame. 6 indicators are burning red. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. Historical data shows us that volumes in the bears actually increased a few minutes ago. Yes, price has now gradually, within a flat pattern, started to decline. This momentum should influence the outcome of the trade. Guys, I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All affiliates will get it. To become an affiliate, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial consultant. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you to understand and deal with. Let's set the record straight. Trading is not about luck. It's not about catching lightning in a bottle or praying that your screen lights up green. Trading is about process, discipline, a strategic grind, and if you're in it for the long haul, if you're willing to learn, adapt, and work, you'll win. But before we get motivational, let's talk about something most new traders ignore until it's too late: money management. If you're entering trades with more than 1 to 2% of your deposit, stop. Right now. That's not bravery, that's recklessness. Think of your capital like oxygen. You don't breathe it all in one gulp. You pace yourself. Because the markets don't reward chaos, they reward consistency. You've got $100? Risk no more than $1 to $2 per trade. It might feel slow. It might feel small. But small trades build big futures. Ask any long-term successful trader, and they'll tell you, preserving capital is the game. You can't win if you're knocked out in the first round. Imagine Rocky Balboa charging into the ring without defense, hoping for a knockout in the first punch. He'd be done in a minute. Same with you. Guard your funds. Trade with protection. Respect the process. And if you've been losing, feeling stuck, questioning if this is for you, let me tell you something clear. Don't give up. Every trader, no matter how legendary, started where you are. They blew accounts. They made emotional decisions. They doubted themselves. But they kept showing up. Michael Burry, yes, the guy from The Big Short, was laughed at for betting against the housing market. People thought he was insane. Until he wasn't. Until he cashed in and proved them all wrong. So, I've completed the first transaction. It's time for the second deal. I will work with the currency pair Australian, American dollar. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. Active selling is a recommendation from artificial intelligence. 7 indicators show good prospects for sellers in the next 5 minutes. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. The past hour has seen some hard fighting and lateral movement. I think that the price will soon bounce back from the global resistance zone and will stay within the gradually declining corridor with a slight decline. I'm sharing my experience. It's not financial advice. I'm showing you how I do it. I've seen people walk away from dead-end jobs and build a life of freedom through trading. Not because they were lucky. Because they built systems. They journaled trades. They tracked metrics. They treated it like a business. And here's what you need to understand. Trading is risk. Just like opening a restaurant. Just like launching a product. There are no guarantees. But there are strategies. Let me give you a few practical tips. Review every trade. Win or lose. Ask. Was it based on a confirmed signal? Did I follow the rules? What could I have done better? Use Confluence. Don't rely on a single indicator. Look at RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. Find alignment between tools. Track emotion. Were you calm or chasing revenge trades? The chart reflects your mindset more than you think. Because trading isn't just a technical game. It's a psychological one. Think of poker players. The best ones aren't just calculating odds, they're reading faces. In trading, those faces are candlesticks, news spikes, market reactions. Learn to read them. If you're still watching, I want you to comment below. Tell me what indicator saved your last trade. Share your risk rules. What's your favorite strategy? Do you use Fibonacci levels? Let's make this channel a hub. A place where real traders talk real strategy, not fairy tales. Because motivation is cool, but application wins. And hey, drop a like if this spoke to you. Subscribe if you want more raw, unfiltered trading talk with no fluff. To wrap this up, here's the truth. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need 10 screens and a Bloomberg terminal. You need process. You need patience. You need persistence. This bot is a tool. You are the driver. Use it. Study. Grow. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The moment is now. Don't wait to be ready. Get ready by doing. Because the only thing standing between you and success in this game is your belief in the possibility of success. Let's go. And I've just finished work. You see this result. Take the bot for free and forever at the link in the description. But remember that after a month you can take it back only for a fee. Subscribe to my Telegram channel. See you soon.